Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on here and make a quick video to help you kind of navigate through Canvas. You've made it to week 2, so congratulations. Thank you to all of you who submitted your week 1 post-lesson questions. Make sure that you are reminding your friends. I would suggest to, at this time, work as a team or work together. And remind your friends, like, hey, don't forget your lesson is due, or don't forget this quiz is due for math or for history or whatever class. We're all in this together, we're all learning, so thank you for your patience. Okay, so I wanted to help you guys kind of navigate through Canvas. Students, we have used this in class many times. So here's just a little refresher for you. Parents, I understand that Canvas may be new to almost all of you, so I wanted to make this little video to kind of help you guys navigate my Canvas. I try to make it as organized as possible so that everything can be found in one place. Now I can't speak for the other subjects. I don't know how everyone organizes their Canvas, but I do try to keep everything in one place, try to keep organized and labeled, just to make this a little bit easier, especially through all the transition and learning. So again, thank you so much for your patience as we've been going through this. So let's go ahead and get started. So whenever you log into Canvas, you will see a dashboard. Obviously, I'm trying to do a student view, so it just looks different for me right now. But you will go to your science course. In that dashboard, you will see your history, your math, reading, science. So if you're going to work on your science, you obviously click on science. And then you'll be brought to this page. And for the most part, we should all look the same. It's set up the same way. So I personally get overwhelmed with all of these different options over here. So the way that I have organized it is by terms, or in modules specifically. So I would suggest clicking term 4, since that's what term we're working on right now. Which is going to be the same thing as this modules tab over here. I've just linked it from that home page so you have access to all the different places you need to within this one home page. So we're going to click on term 4. And once this loads, you'll see that all of the term 4 modules are there. So this is what you completed last week. These were your instructions, the vocabulary notes you were supposed to take, and then your digital lesson and the questions. This week you only have 2 little tabs. So again, we're under term 4. This is under the modules tab, but I just clicked on term 4 from the home page. Okay, again, trying to make less steps for you guys so that you don't have to click on a bunch of different things. So term 4, this week will be this one right here. Your assignment will pop up. You read the instructions. You will do either option 1 or option 2. Option 1 is if you have Adobe Flash. Option 2 is if you do not. Okay. Then you're going to go back to the term 4 module. Okay. Sorry about that. So back to our module. Again, I don't really mess with any of these other things, so I would just go back to that term 4 module. And you're going to click on watershed, number 2, watershed quiz. Okay, so this is a simple 10-question quiz that you will submit from there. Okay, that's it. So let's go back to our home page. Again, if you need to get your assignments for the week, you're going to click on term 4. All right. If you have a question, you're going to click on have a question, and this is going to send you to the discussion tab. Okay, again, I didn't mess with this over here. I just went straight from the home page. So here is where you will see my office hours. Now, you can message me through Remind. You can message me through email. The discussion tab is another really good option for you guys. This will be open. I will be present from 11 to 12 and from 2 to 3 to answer your questions. However, you can also help your classmates out. So again, this is what I'm talking about, working in a team. So you can drop your questions down here. People can respond to each other. I will also pop on here as well during those times and answer those questions if you have. Okay. Just a reminder, I will most likely not answer your questions, students, especially if you're sending me reminds late at night. I've gotten some at 9. I've gotten some at 10, at 12 at night. think about this as just a regular school day. Remember our school times. So I probably won't be answering your remind messages late at night. Okay. If you have a question, feel free to email me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Whenever I hop on my email during the school week. Okay. So, students, again, that's just a reminder as to how to navigate through Canvas. Again, I would suggest clicking this homepage, and this will bring you back to here. Sometimes this to-do list is a little confusing. So this is how I set mine up. And so I'll post this on YouTube, and I will send this out on Remind so that you guys can access it whenever you need to. I think that's all I have for you. Good luck. You guys are doing great, staying on top of your work. Once you have submitted it, you should be good to go. I will hop back on here later and remind you guys to submit your assignment again later this week if you have not already. Okay? So good luck. Parents, thank you so much for your support and for the accountability that you are giving at home. It's really, really appreciated. Thanks for being on top of it and learning this with us. I hope this helps you as well as students. All right, thank you all so much.